Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, the daily trading volume of SHIB has fallen slightly in the last day with a 6.42% decrease, and the 24-hour trading volume totaling around $273 million, while another 60% drop in SHIB price as inevitable. Shiba Inu price sees investor interest fading as price consolidates far away from 1708. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. I used special indicators in the chart for you. You will get 90% accurate results. Watch the video till the end without skipping. SHIB price drifts further to the downside as pressure builds for a new low for 2022. Expect to see a correction back to 507, saying goodbye to 1000. Shiba Inu price is too far gone from the significant pivotal level of 1708 to make a strong comeback for now. Expect to see price action consolidate around current levels, slightly above 1000, before another round of tail risks will come back to bite price action and trigger another drop in value. SHIB price looks set to slip below 1000, trigger a trust crisis amongst investors, and finally settle at 507, losing another 60%. SHIB price set to trigger a confidence vote amongst investors. Shiba Inu price is not really falling on the right side of the trade these past few weeks, as SHIB is set to close out the week with a fifth consecutive loss. By doing so, investors and traders must start to be fed up with the almost puberal mood swings the cryptocurrency is having and being an outlier when cryptocurrency markets are rallying, and SHIB price being one of the few that is bleeding at that exact moment. Expect to see more outflow of capital funds, making the price action less supportive and possibly triggering a falling knife soon. SHIB price still has the 1000 big figure in its corner, backing price action to consolidate above for now. But the backpack of geopolitical issues and tail risks is growing by the day as more unresolved issues are putting too many question marks around the secured path forward. Expect with that uncertainty and the sometimes unpredictable price moves in SHIB, investors start to lose confidence and could trigger at least another test at the 10,000 psychological level. Should that level be breached again, expect to see SHIB price axed in half towards 507 as investors will be fed up with carrying the loss on their investments and look the other way. One element that could ease the weight of the bearish backpack is when those tail risks can be deflated. That would come with some dovish comments from the Fed or BOE, or if the Ukraine news flows fades further to the background as the situation on the ground stabilizes. That could trigger a quick turnaround with SHIB price back to 1500, and bulls pressing against the red descending trend line to create a breakthrough on the descending trend line and touch 1708 before trying to rally towards 2100 and testing the 55-day simple moving average as price cap to the upside. SHIB has broken out of a classic bearish chart pattern called a descending triangle. Following the breakout of the pattern, the price of SHIB posted a slight gain over the last 24 hours. With Shibarium coming very soon, according to Shitoshi Kusama, with the unification upgrade set to happen next month, some SHIB holders are wondering if this means anything for Shibarium. Shibarium X unification eagle-eyed SHIB holders spotted that the unification fund mainnet upgrade is set to go live on June 8, potentially signaling good news for the Shibarium launch. Unification describes itself as a hybrid blockchain, which offers blockchain tools to its partners, including Shiba Inu. Alongside Shibarium, it was involved in the launch of the Shiboshi NFTs. The new mainnet chain will launch on June 8, pending the end of its current voting period on May 24. In a tweet about the fund mainnet, Unification said it paves the way for some exciting projects ahead. With the launch of Shibarium constantly being teased as being just months or weeks away, or more often just soon, it could be that the unification upgrade is key to then launching the Layer 2. Of all the Shiba Inu roadmap projects, the community is the most excited for Shibarium, as several polls have demonstrated. However, the mainnet proposal includes no reference to Shibarium or any other projects. This means that for the time being, this does not signal a Shibarium launch as any closer. Instead, it could signal the launch of the Shibarium testnet. In a blog post, Unification said this testnet is planned to launch within the next months, followed by a beta. The Shibarium Layer 2, which will not create a SHIB token, hopes to reduce the transaction fees for its users. Can Shiba Inu reach $1 by 2025? Shiba Inu gained around 46 million% in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Dating back more than a century, No asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Shiba Inu's 2021 gains were historic when 2021 began. Shiba Inu was one of seemingly dozens of Shiba Inu-inspired coins looking to capitalize on the craze that pushed Dogecoin significantly higher. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, it might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million%. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million%. It's a far cry from 121 million%, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility in crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. As for crypto market dynamics, investors should understand that it's a lot easier to purchase derivatives, e.g., put options, on, or short sell, a publicly traded stock than it is to bet against a high-flying but lesser-known digital currency. With minimal avenues to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin, an inherent buy bias helped Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1, perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. The purpose of Shibarium is to significantly drive down transaction fees involving SHIB tokens. Pushing fees lower will not only make SHIB a more attractive payment option for merchants, but it's also the key step to fueling blockchain-based gaming. At the moment, Shibarium is being tested privately. The next core catalyst is the development and launch of non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming. Although we've already witnessed a handful of blockchain-based games generating significant revenue, Shiba Inu can't launch gaming until Shibarium can be trusted to substantially bring down transaction fees. Once Shibarium is publicly launched, NFT marketplaces can thrive. To add to this point, Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse needs to be a hit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.